Welcome to Best Choice. The best Kicker Subwoofer is probably one of the most crucial upgrades for any car audio enthusiast looking to transform their driving experience with deep, resonant bass that not only makes your music come alive but also adds an immersive dimension to every beat, ensuring you feel every note with powerful clarity and impact, truly elevating your sound system to concert-like levels right inside your vehicle. Number 5. QPower 12-inch Dual Subwoofer Box. Elevate your car's audio experience with this high-performance vented enclosure. It's specifically designed to hold two 12-inch subwoofers, letting you truly rock out to your favorite anthems. Featuring a unique dual-chamber design, it makes your sound twice as hard. Enjoy strong, enhanced bass and smooth audio that will make your ride twice as fun. Keep your valuable 12-inch car speakers safe with its shared slot port vent design. This ensures they stay cool, even during extended periods of high-performance play. Add a touch of class to your car's interior with its durable black bed liner spray finish. It's built to be tough, impressing friends and family with its stylish yet rugged appearance. Measuring 14 by 32 by 13.25 inches, it offers an 11-inch cutout diameter and 1.5 cubic feet of air space per sub. Constructed from 0.75-inch MDF, it's tuned to a 40 Hz frequency for optimal sound. This enclosure is more than just an accessory, it's an upgrade to your entire sound system. It will transform your car into a mobile concert hall, delivering an immersive audio experience. What we like. This enclosure is designed for dual 12-inch subwoofers, delivering powerful, resonant bass. Its vented design ensures optimal sound performance, while the durable black bed liner finish adds a touch of style. If you are looking for a robust, stylish enclosure to house two subs and make your music heard, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted. Number 4. Kicker 48 TRTP 12212 Thin Downfiring Subwoofer. This subwoofer boasts an extremely compact design. Its drivers are cleverly hidden, allowing it to blend seamlessly into your vehicle's interior. It truly becomes a part of your car's makeup. It features new CompRT forced air cooling technology. This innovation keeps it 20% cooler during operation. Enjoy increased reliability and consistent performance. Experience deep, resonant bass like never before. A high-output reflex passive woofer works to intensify its bass output. You'll feel every beat with clarity and power. Its internally braced enclosure offers ultimate protection. This robust construction ensures durability and safeguards the internal components. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. Installation is a breeze with this unit. It easily mounts in your vehicle's cargo area. You won't face any space issues, making it a perfect fit for many vehicles. What we like. This model boasts an extremely compact, downfiring design, allowing it to blend seamlessly into your vehicle's interior. Its forced air cooling system ensures increased reliability and sustained performance. If you have limited cargo space or prefer a discreet, high-performance bass solution, you should consider this one. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 3. Harmony Audio Kicker Subwoofer Amp Kit. Elevate your car's sound system with this powerful audio package. It brings together top-tier components for an immersive listening experience. At its core is a 3000-watt Class D amplifier, designed for robust bass. This single-channel unit delivers incredible power efficiently. Part of the Alloy series, this mono amplifier ensures premium sound quality. Its Class D design means high power in a compact form. Experience every low note with its impressive 10 Hz to 180 Hz frequency response. It ensures your subwoofers reproduce rich, deep bass with clarity. Complementing the amplifier is a Kicker Subwoofer L7 dual 12-inch vented subwoofer box. This enclosure is engineered to maximize bass output and impact. Everything you need for a seamless setup is included with the 10-gauge 3000W amp install kit. It provides all the necessary wiring and accessories for a professional installation. What we like. This comprehensive package offers a powerful Class D amplifier paired with Kicker's renowned Soliberic L7 dual 12-inch subs, providing immense bass. It includes everything needed for a high-end installation. If you are looking for an all-in-one, high-power, premium bass system, this bundle is perfectly suited for you. What people say. Number 2. Kicker QPower 12 Dual Subwoofer and Amp Kit. This comprehensive package delivers powerful bass for your vehicle. It includes everything you need for a complete audio upgrade. Its dual subwoofers feature a Solocon cone system for robust sound. Vented back bracing and motor cooling ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. The included amplifier offers precise control over your sound. It features a variable 12 dB crossover, Kick EQ 6 dB bass boost, and a 24 dB subsonic filter. Installation is made easy with the top-quality wiring kit. It provides full-spec, HyperFlex power, ground, and turn-on cables for optimal performance. You can further customize your setup with optional subwoofer grills. Remote bass controllers are also available for convenient sound adjustments. What we like. This bundle provides a complete setup with dual QPower 12-inch subwoofers and a powerful amplifier, featuring advanced motor cooling for sustained performance. The amplifier offers variable bass boost and crossover controls for precise sound tuning. If you like to customize your bass output and want a reliable, full system, this is a great option. What people say. Number 1. Kicker 47QL7 or 12 Quad L7R Bundle. Experience unparalleled audio with this complete car audio bundle. It's designed to transform your vehicle's sound system. At its heart lies a 12-inch Quad L7R sub-box, delivering a massive 4,800 watts of peak power. Prepare for deep, resonant bass that you can feel. Driving this system is a powerful Class D mono amplifier. It provides 1500 watts RMS, ensuring your subwoofers receive clean, consistent power. This amplifier boasts a peak power of 3000 watts, pushing your audio to new limits. Its frequency response spans from 10 Hz to 180 Hz, capturing every low-end detail. The bundle includes a premium 10GA amp install kit. This ensures a secure and efficient setup, getting you to powerful sound faster. This comprehensive package provides everything you need for a professional-grade subwoofer setup. It's engineered for superior performance and easy integration into your vehicle. What we like. This ultimate bundle features a Quad L7 or 12-inch subwoofer box, delivering an astounding 4800 W of raw power for an unparalleled bass experience. It comes with a high-output amplifier and installation kit, designed for universal vehicle compatibility. If you demand the absolute maximum bass and a truly impactful sound system, this powerhouse is your go-to choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.